Okay, so welcome to our interactive vacation planning. We worked on this all together, so it was done by Olivia, Brooke, and Omayra. And then the cities you see in these pictures are all the cities we went to. We wanted to kind of highlight some of the cool things that are in those cities just to kind of show off the trip and make it look a lot more exciting. So now we're going to move on to our data sheets.
Okay, so on our data sheet, we have all the cities and the average costs for Airbnb, transportation, food, and entertainment. And then over here we have our named cells for our conversions. So we have a euro and then the Swiss franc. And then we use those named cells over here for a mathematical equation, and over here we also have the mathematical equation. And then down here is our transportation from city to city table. And we use conditional formatting. So the darker the blue, the more expensive it is, and then the lighter the blue, the cheaper it is. And then lastly on this page, we have our map, which shows basically just how expensive it's going to be with different size dots for each city.
So now we'll move on to our interactive planner. So we wanted to kind of show you what would happen as we inputted data. So we're going to fill it out for friend number 1 right now. So right there we're using data validation to make sure you put in the right cities, because we don't want them putting in cities that aren't on our list.
So we're going to spend 3 days in Milan and then go here for probably a day. And then we're going to go to Florence for 2 days, head to Rome. These are all in Italy so far. We'll spend one more day in Rome. Then we'll head over to Athens, Greece, and then go to Santorini for a day, and then back to Athens. Then we'll head to Bern 2 days before we head over to Spain. So we'll go to Barcelona. And then spend a lot of time in Madrid.
So as you can see, as we were filling out that data, it was changing, and that's because you can see within those cells there's a VLOOKUP. So the first cell, we had to do a little tweaking because we had to make sure that it was coming from Salt Lake. And then the cells in between that one and the last 21st city are also a little bit different. And then the last one is different as well because it had to go back to Salt Lake. And then below we have the if statement, so we wanted to make so you could see which friend would be the cheapest, and so in this model, friend 1 came out to be the cheapest, so that's the trip we're going on. And then, like I said before, there's data validation in the different cells to make sure we put the right data in. That's it.
Thanks for coming along on our interactive vacation planner, and enjoy your trip.